In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for personal life management. Trello is a fantastic tool to help organize your tasks, goals, and projects in a simple and visually pleasing way. Whether you're planning your week, setting personal goals, or managing a home renovation, Trello can help streamline these processes. So let's dive in and get started. First, you want to navigate to the Trello website to capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. Just open your web browser and head over to Trello's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the user-friendly interface designed to simplify task management. This site is your gateway to creating a seamless workflow in your personal life. After you've reached the website, your next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click it and enter your credentials. If you're new to Trello, you'll need to create an account, which can be done swiftly with an email or by linking your existing Google account. This login will take you to your Trello workspace, which is essentially your hub for all projects. Once you're in your Trello workspace, you'll see a button for templates on the home page. Clicking on templates is a crucial step because it will lead you to a wide range of pre-designed boards that you can adapt for your personal use. These templates are structured to help organize different aspects of life, such as travel planning, fitness goals, or even grocery shopping. They can be a great source of inspiration and save you time setting up from scratch. In the template section, you'll want to focus on the personal category. Clicking on personal will narrow down your options to templates specifically aimed at personal life management. Here you'll find templates designed to enhance productivity and keep track of tasks personal to you. This selection allows you to quickly get started without feeling overwhelmed by too many choices unrelated to your goals. Finally, browse through the personal templates displayed and select one that fits your needs the best. You can preview each template to ensure that it matches your desired organizational structure. Once you find a template that speaks to you, click on it to add to your own boards. Adjust and personalize this template by adding or removing lists and cards to fit your specific needs and goals. With these steps completed, you're now ready to unleash the full potential of Trello in managing your personal life. By utilizing templates and customizing them to your liking, you can efficiently keep track of your tasks and goals. Trello's user-friendly nature and the flexibility to adapt as your plans evolve make it a standout tool for personal organization. So get creative and start organizing your life with Trello today.